9 Ideal Dinner Recipes to Lose Weight. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Discover 9 ideal dinner recipes for your weight loss journey. These recipes are both delicious and nutritious, providing a balance of nutrients while keeping the calorie count intact. With lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of vegetables, these meals support your weight loss goals and promote overall health. From beef stew to veggie cauliflower fried rice and quick pesto with veggies, there's something for everyone. Incorporate these recipes into your meal plan to enjoy satisfying and healthy dinners that contribute to your weight loss success. Number 1. Shrimp with peppers. 250 calories. Shrimp with peppers is a fantastic dinner option for weight loss. This dish is low in calories and rich in protein, making it both satisfying and nutritious. The combination of succulent shrimp and colorful peppers provides a flavorful and wholesome meal that supports your weight loss goals. Here are the specific ingredients for shrimp peppers. 1 pound of shrimp peeled and divined, 2 bell peppers of any color sliced, 1 onion sliced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. For optional, spices such as paprika, cayenne pepper, or Italian seasoning for added flavor. Here is the process for making shrimp with peppers. Number 2. Cod Recipe. 300 calories. Cod is an excellent choice for a healthy dinner recipe when you're trying to lose weight. It is a lean and protein-rich fish that is low in calories and packed with essential nutrients. This recipe provides a flavorful and satisfying meal option that supports your weight loss goals. Here are the specific ingredients for cod recipe. 4 cod fillets, 1 lemon sliced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic minced, salt and pepper to taste. For optional, herbs such as parsley, thyme, or dill for added flavor. Here is the process for cod recipe. Number 3. Vegan rice with vegetables. 250 calories. Vegan rice with vegetables is a nutritious and low-calorie dinner that can aid in your weight loss journey. This dish is packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals from a variety of colorful vegetables, providing essential nutrients while keeping the calorie count intact. It is also a great option for those following a vegan or plant-based diet. For specific ingredients, here is the list. 1 cup of cooked brown rice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 small onion diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 cup of mixed vegetables such as carrots, bell peppers, broccoli, and peas, 2 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce or tamari. For optional, spices and herbs for added flavor, such as ginger, turmeric, or basil. Here is the process for making vegan rice with vegetables. Hey guys, can you do me a big favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Delicious turkey penne. 410 calories. This dish combines lean turkey meat with a whole wheat penne pasta and a variety of vegetables, offering a balanced and nutritious meal option. Turkey is a lean protein source that helps keep you feeling full and supports muscle growth and repair. Whole wheat pasta provides fiber and complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, while vegetables contribute vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Here is the specific ingredients for delicious turkey penne. 8 ounces of whole wheat penne pasta, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 pound of ground turkey, 1 small onion diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 bell pepper diced, 1 zucchini diced, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes halved, 1 teaspoon of dried Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste. For optional, grated Parmesan cheese for topping. Here is the process for making delicious turkey penne. Number 5. Ditalini soup, 400 calories. This soup is made with Ditalini pasta, vegetables, and a flavorful broth, providing a balanced and filling meal option. The Ditalini pasta adds a hearty texture, while the vegetables contribute vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Enjoying a warm bowl of Ditalini soup can help you feel full and satisfied while keeping your calorie intake in check. Here are the specific ingredients for Ditalini soup. 1 cup of Ditalini pasta, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 small onion diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 2 carrots diced, 2 celery tops diced, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of dried Italian seasoning, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. Here is the process for making Ditalini soup. Number 6. Veggie cauliflower fried rice, 380 calories. This dish is a healthier alternative to traditional fried rice, as it replaces rice with cauliflower rice, which is low in calories and carbohydrates. Packed with a variety of colorful vegetables, this dish provides essential vitamins and minerals and fiber. By incorporating more vegetables and reducing the calorie-dense ingredients, you can enjoy a satisfying meal while keeping your calorie intake in check. Here are the specific ingredients for veggie cauliflower fried rice. 1 medium head of cauliflower rice, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 small onion diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 carrot diced, 1 red bell pepper diced, 1 cup of fresh frozen peas, 2 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce or tamari, 1 teaspoon of ginger grated, 2 green onions sliced, salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process for making veggie cauliflower fried rice. Number 7. Quick pesto and veggies, 300 calories. Quick pesto and veggies are ground turkey with tagliatelle, 460 calories. A nutritious and satisfying dinner option that can aid in your weight loss journey. This recipe combines fresh vegetables with a flavorful pesto sauce to create a calorie intake and nutrient-rich meal. Pesto is typically made with basil, garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil, providing a burst of flavor while keeping the calorie count in check. By incorporating a variety of colorful vegetables, you'll increase your intake of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied without consuming excess calories. Here are the specific ingredients for quick pesto and veggies. 1 cup fresh basil leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons pine nuts, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup extra virgin oil, salt and pepper to taste, 2 cups mixed vegetables, and 1 tablespoon olive oil for sauteing. Here is the process for making quick pesto and veggies. Number 8. Ground turkey with tagliatelle, 460 calories. Ground turkey with tagliatelle is a flavorful and satisfying dinner option that can support your weight loss goals. This recipe combines lean ground turkey with tagliatelle pasta and a variety of herbs and spices to create a balanced and nutritious meal. Ground turkey is a lean source of protein that can help you feel full and satisfied while keeping the calorie count in check. Tagliatelle pasta provides a good source of carbohydrates for energy, and when paired with the protein from the turkey, it creates a well-rounded meal. By incorporating herbs and spices, you can enhance the flavor of the dish without adding excessive calories or unhealthy ingredients. Here are the specific ingredients for ground turkey with tagliatelle. Number 9. Beef stew, 310 calories. Beef stew is a hearty and nutritious dinner option they can support your weight loss goals. This recipe combines tender beef, vegetables, and flavorful spices to create a satisfying meal that is relatively low in calories. Beef is a good source of protein and essential nutrients like iron and zinc, which are important for maintaining overall health and energy levels. The addition of vegetables like carrots, potatoes, and onions provides fiber and essential vitamins, making the stew a well-rounded and nourishing option. By cooking the stew slowly, the flavors meld together, resulting in a comforting and delicious dish. Here are the specific ingredients for beef stew. And here is the process for making the beef stew. And that concludes our list of 9 ideal dinner recipes to lose weight. Do you happen to know any ideal dinner recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!